Hello sewing enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a beginner-friendly tutorial on how to cut and stitch a beautiful simple blouse. Whether you're new to sewing or just want a quick and easy project, you've come to the right place. We'll go through everything step by step, so don't worry, I've got you covered. First up, let's talk about fabric and tools. You'll need about 1 meter of your favorite fabric, a measuring tape, tailor's chalk, a good pair of scissors, and of course, your sewing machine. I'm using a lovely cotton print today because it is easy to work with and perfect for a comfortable everyday blouse. Now, let's get down to the measurements. The key to a great fit is accurate measurement. We'll show you how to take your bust, waist, shoulder and armhole measurements correctly. We'll mark these directly onto the fabric, adding about 1.5 inches for seam allowance. Remember, it's always better to have a little extra fabric than not enough. We'll start by marking and cutting the back piece, then move on to the 2 front pieces. Precision is your best friend here, so take your time with the chalk and scissors. Once all our pieces are cut, including the sleeves and the neck facing, it's time to head to the sewing machine. We'll begin by joining the shoulders of the front and back pieces. Then, we'll attach the sleeves. I'll show you a simple trick to set in sleeves perfectly without any puckering. After the sleeves are on, we'll sew the side seams from the sleeve hem all the way down to the waist. Next, we'll finish the neckline. A clean neckline gives your blouse a professional look. I'll demonstrate how to attach the facing for a neat and durable finish. We'll also hem the sleeves and the bottom of the blouse. The final step is adding the closures. You can choose buttons, hooks, or even a zipper. Today, we'll be creating a simple hook and eye placket. And there you have it. A gorgeous custom-fit blouse made by you. Look at that. It's so satisfying to wear something you've created yourself. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel inspired to start your own sewing project. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future tutorials. Happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next video.